Hey guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. So this week we are doing another unboxing because once again I found these shoes online and I felt like I could do a great unboxing with them because again this is my second sneaker unboxing and yeah, I just felt like I have to do it. So let's start. So today I'm doing the unboxing of the Nike Vandalized, and the Nike Vandalized, I think it's the revisited version of the Nike Vandal. So they are actually a basketball women's shoe, and I found them in white and I think yellow detail. I haven't unboxed them yet. This is the package, so let's get to it. So again, the standard red Nike box. You can see the name on the box. It's written Nike Women Vandalized in the size UK 6 and Europe 40. It's one size small. It's one size smaller than my normal size, but just for the unboxing video I figure out I can try them on. So let's unbox the shoe. They are great. I don't know if you can see all the details on them. I think they are completely in leather. Like I said, you have this yellow detail on the front and on the back, and this constructed Nike symbol on the sides. They are really nice. I really like them. They are really similar to the Air Jordan 1, and yeah, I mean the Vandalized are actually really the Nike Vandal are actually really similar to the Jordan ones, so I'm not really surprised. No, they are really pretty. You can see the sole, it's completely white with just these little yellow details on them. Yeah, they are completely in leather. You still have the Nike logo here on the back, and it's just the left size, and this is the right side. So this is the right side, and like I said, they're a little bit small for my feet. Like I need a 40.5 or 41, and these are 40. But I'm still going to try them on with socks and show you guys what they look like on feet. So guys, this is what it looks like to put them on. I'm just going to say that I just struggled a little bit to put them on since they don't have laces, but it's still okay. It just goes really well. So guys, now I am showing you another little close-up. Like I said before, they are really similar to the Air Jordan 1s and the Dunk Highs, and they are really comfortable. I have them on one size smaller, but they are still really comfortable. The only difference you have in when you compare them to the Jordans or the Dunks is the lack of laces or the deconstructed logo on the shoes. Love the details. They are really comfortable. So tell me in the comments if you like them and if you're a fan. So guys, now that you have seen what they look like on feet, I really like them. I really like the details. I really like the simple concept and how they have been constructed or deconstructed from the original version. But my only problem is that they're a little bit complicated to wear. They don't have laces and stuff, so that's my only minus point on them. But except from that, I really like the design. I'm a really big fan of the Air Jordan ones, so that's why it's actually really normal that I love these ones too. So for these shoes, for the Nike Vandalized, I have 3 options from you, 3 styling options from you if you want to. And for the first one, I'm actually wearing this top that I'm wearing right now, the same hat and this tartan skirt, and with this little split on the side. And I feel like it's another really simple outfit. It's really easy to wear if you want to go out and stuff, and still and not wear heels, for example. It's another simple complicated combination. You, instead of this tartan skirt, you can wear a mini skirt if you want to, and or jeans if you want to. It's really up to you. Like I always say, it always depends on your style and what you like to wear, in what you actually feel comfortable wearing. So for the second outfit, I am wearing these black bike shorts that you have probably seen a thousand times already on my channel or on my Instagram profile. And I feel like it's another easygoing style or outfit combination to wear during the summer season. And it's simple: bike shorts, a shirt or a t-shirt if you want to, or a top if you want to. I'm still wearing the same hat and the sneakers. I'm not quite sure about the color combination, but it's still okay. So yeah, if you want to wear jeans instead of the bike shorts, you can do that too. If you want to wear a culotte, you can do that too, or a bermuda, you can do that too. Another great option. And for the last outfit, it's the most easygoing outfit you can go with if you don't want to stress during the summer and it's too warm or something. I'm just wearing this polo dress with the stripes, these black and white stripes, and it's really simple as well. Like, I'm still wearing the same hat. I'm just keeping the same accessories for the whole deal, and I feel like it still works. It depends on you. I don't know if you like it, or if you feel like the dress is a little bit too big or something, but it's a really simple outfit. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and tell me in the comments if you are a sneaker fan, if you are not a big fan of this new deconstructed Nike Vandal. And see you guys next week. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and follow me on Instagram at the style tips, when I share way more styling inspiration. So bye and see you next week.